But the time is coming. Indeed, it's here now, when true worshipers will worship the Father in spirit and in truth. The Father is looking for anyone who will worship him that way. For God is spirit, so those who worship him must worship in spirit and in truth. Since we are receiving a kingdom that is unshakable, let us be thankful and please God by worshiping him with holy fear and awe. Your worship is pleasing to God when it is sincere and honest. Worship is an encounter with the living and holy God. Worship is reserved for God alone. In worship, we ascribe to the Lord the glory due to him. We can worship because of Christ's sacrifice on our behalf. When we draw near to God, he draws near to us. Take Me Back to the Well, YouTube series, June. Daughter, I want you to tell your story from these key elements. Deborah, 4 pillars. Woman, prophetess, wife, then the leader. Becoming her. This is my story. Stay tuned.